What's up, guys? I'm reviewing trades for the 8th of November, that is today, and we have jumping right into the trades, break and retest setup, and let's see what happens. Alright, that was the first trade of the day. Good trade. Went in with half position as I wasn't super confident. I was just feeling a little fearful of losing money. So went in half position, but good trade. Good way to start the day. And let's carry on. This is the second trade. Also a break and retest setup. I liked it. And so I'm looking for position on Q, triple Q. Okay, so I ended up getting stopped out there on triple Q, but I still really liked this position. I still liked the setup, and I thought I got stopped out prematurely. That was a poor stop on my part, I think. So I jumped into another position on SPY because I liked it so much, and I scaled up to full size. There for a nice little win on my second contract. On the first contract, it hit my first PT, which is this line, so I got out, or take profit, and I got out there, executed that well. The second one, we fell below this, and I had an initial price target of low of day, but saw the profits, and I also, that was the main reason. I saw the profits and I saw how much we were up, and I was also kind of distracted with something else, so I thought, okay, I just want to get out of this position for a nice win. Okay, now let's review the account. So this is the account for this month so far. Looking pretty good for this month. The last few months have not been this good, but we've learned a lot and we're growing, and I'll go over the main lessons that I'm learning right after we review the account. So this is the account for this month, like I said. Got some nice little P&L. Our win percentage is over 50%, which is significant, and that's higher than what we usually do. And that's one thing that we're focusing on this month, keeping a high win percentage. We're not doing that just for the number's sake, but we're doing it to help focus on taking quality setups. Profit factor of 4.78 so far, not too shabby. I mean, we're just starting the month, so this is a good way to start the month, but we'll see how we end up doing. But I'm happy with these numbers so far. How we're starting the month has been strong. This is today. You know, we took 3 trades. These are the percentages of the trades that we experienced. We had that, you know, $26 winner in the beginning. It was just one contract size. So I really it would have been nice to have 2 contracts there to full size, but I just wasn't super confident. Then we had this one, this triple Q. This was the first trade of the day that we took. Of course, SPY, you know, we had SPY was playing around this 437.50 level, and then we finally popped up and then broke it, and we retested it here. I got in here and got out as we were dumping. So that was a good first trade. This was the second trade we took on Triple Q. Stuck to plan, got in at this 372 level, but got stopped out a little prematurely. Actually, I ended up getting bottom wicked on this one, which was just a bummer. A little bit of a bummer, but it happens in trading. However, I did still like how the setups looked, and so right after getting stopped out of that trade, I jumped into SPY, which was approaching and testing this inflection point at 436.50, 436.5, and so I got in there, and then ended up scaling up just in time. I scaled up, got in right here before it started dumping, and then scaled out for a nice little win. So this is what the account looks like since the beginning. So we're still down a pretty big amount, as you can see. You know, we lost a lot here, and we've just been learning and growing, just continuing to paddle along and learn a lot of lessons. And this month specifically, like I said, we're focusing on patience and focusing on keeping that high win percentage, trying to take the quality setups that will yield a winner, trying to make sure I have edge in the trade. I know not every trade is going to be a winner. I know there's losses, there's losers, but I know that I have edge in certain areas, and so just waiting for that edge and taking those setups where I have edge, that's the key. So waiting patiently for those is the theme for this month. Thank y'all again for watching. I think we're at 277 subscribers for the channel, which is wicked. Thank y'all for supporting me, and I will see y'all in the next video.